Bless Squad, what's going on with y'all, man? It's your boy, Blessed Applesauce, here to bless y'all with another video today. And today, we're here to talk about CMEG, CMEG. It is the weekend right now. For some reason, my broker does not want to work when the market is closed. I don't know why. I was going to show y'all my brokerage platform on the weekend today, but it's the weekend. But anyway, so we're going to continue on this video regardless. Today, we're going to be talking about CMEGs, shorting, short locates, and the whole process of shorting and what I think about it. Just giving my thoughts on, is it good? Should you go with it? Is it the best platform to short on? And the short answer, it really depends. If you are a trader under 25K, the platform is decent. I would not recommend people that have over 25K be on this platform. And there's a couple of reasons why. When you're shorting on this platform, the fees can be a little expensive. I paid probably about $75 for the fees. I think it was yesterday on commissions. So there's a $25 fee for just using the short locate feature. And then there's going to be a % share rate for how many shares that you take out. So sometimes, let's say you're trading these low float, low cap stocks. Maybe they're like 1 cent per share or half a cent or whatever it may be. So you're going to be paying 25 plus the per share rate on the short locates. So just keep that in mind. So here goes the Capital Markets Elite Group here. With the shorting process, shorting, they don't have every single short available. They have a decent amount of shorts available on this platform. And I say that with a grain of salt because it depends on where you're trading. If you're trading the big cat names, the Apples, the Amazons, stuff like that, the shorts are always going to be available. But for me, I'm trading these small cap stocks where they're under $10, above $2, maybe $1 or $2 in that range. And it's really a 50-50 if you're going to be able to get shorts for this broker. So keep that in mind. So I'm thinking if you're trading, let's say you're trading with a $5,000 account. When you're trading with $5,000, you're going to want to short. You're going to want to short a stock. So it's going to cost you 25 plus the per share rate. So let's say it's maybe $35 total for your short locates. And then on top of that, you're going to have to pay the commission of the 2.95 in and out for your trades. You're going to have to make over $40 a trade when you trade with Capital Markets Elite Group. And let's say you have $5,000. You're really going to be struggling at that point unless you're holding positions for a very long time and your risk to reward, your targets, your win rate targets are like way far out, 5-10% away, where you can really cover commissions. So with that in mind, I make sure if you're shorting on this broker, make sure you're holding trades for a very long time. Make sure you're not trading 50 million times. That's one thing that can get you into trouble if you're trading back to back 5 million times and there's no type of volatility in the play. For me, when I'm taking trades on this platform, I'll trade maybe twice, 3 times max, and I'm really done. Because when you open up in the market in the morning, 9:30 hits, you get your short locates. Let's say you're paying $40 for your shorts. You get in, you make your money. Let's say the first trade you make $100. So you now covered your commissions, you covered your brokerage, your short locates, and you have $60 profit. The second trade, you're just adding on to that. Third trade, you're adding on to that. But it gets to a point where the market tends to kind of calm down a little bit. It tends to happen around 10, 11 o'clock, where it's just calming down and there's not a lot of movement going on. So you constantly trading, you're just eating up commissions at that point, especially if you're trading a stock that is like lower float, like these over-the-counter stocks. If anybody trades those, be careful with those, because this broker does charge you a lot more money for trading stuff under $1. I came out of one stock, I think it was like 90 cents, and I got charged $150 commission because I traded back and forth. It was like $45 per trade. It was like $1 per 100 shares or something like that, something crazy. So keep that in mind on this broker. That's one reason why I'm getting off of this thing. But I do want to be of some type of solutions for this platform, because I know a lot of people that are on this platform are trading with under 25K and they do want to short. So only trade a couple of times. One, limit the amount of times that you borrow short locates, because short locates will come on this platform about 50% of the times when you hop into when you look at your stocks. But if you can avoid buying shorts, locating shorts, definitely do that. I highly recommend that. And also just be careful with over trading, because this broker does tend to rack up commissions with the $25 locates and then the $3 commissions, and then you're trading like other fees on top of that. It gets kind of crazy. And then of course the platform fee that they have at the end of the month. So keep that in mind when getting on this broker, especially for shorting. If you're going long, it really doesn't matter. You just pay your $3, call it a day, and you're good. But a lot of these people are looking for short. So keep that in mind on this platform. This is going to be like a short video. Just wanted to explain the process of shorting on this platform and how it goes and how the cost structure really works for it. If you are interested in hopping on this platform and you do have a couple of other questions, let me know down in the comment section down below, and I can give you an idea of what's going on and answer any questions you have, because I have been on this platform for a very long time. Even though this thing is not working for me right now, it's really it's the weekend, so it's not working. So but let me know if you have any questions. That's gonna wrap it up. It's been your boy, Blessed Applesauce. Stay blessed, and I'm gonna see y'all next time on Blessed to Invest.
Just to see tomorrow is a blessing. Stay prayed up is the message. Everything about a nigga blessed.